my name's Sarah and I am a yoga teacher from the Gold Coast in Australia, and I'm currently travelling with my family on a sailing boat through Indonesia and Southeast Asia. I've put together some yoga videos because I love teaching and I miss teaching, and I thought, why not do it online? So my classes are ocean inspired. I love surfing and I love the ocean, and I live on the ocean, and everything kind of flows as you move your body. Pretty raw, they're pretty real. I haven't really edited anything. I make mistakes. I say some things that are a bit odd. I hope you enjoy practicing with me and bringing yoga at these beautiful locations to your lounge room. I love teaching yoga, I love sharing with you, and I'm just super stoked that I can do it as I travel in these beautiful locations. I hope you have a beautiful day. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!